Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply a payment to an invoice in QuickBooks. It's going to be a quick video, so let's get straight into it. The first step is to go to Receive Payments. Click on the plus new in the left navigation menu and then select Receive Payments. Step 2 is to select the customer. So choose the customer who made the payment. QuickBooks will automatically display all open invoices for that specific customer. Step 3 is to enter payment details. Now, payment dates, of course, when the payment was made, payment method, reference number, and deposit to, which of course you're going to need to choose where the payment should go, usually your bank account or undeposited funds. Step 4 is to apply the payment. Now, check the box next to the invoice that you're applying the payment to. If it's a partial payment, QuickBooks will automatically record the balance due. Step 5 is to save the payment. Click Save and Close or Save and New to record the payments. QuickBooks updates the invoice status to paid or partially paid, depending of course on the amount. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.